Washington is home to several natural hazards that can cause property damage. That's why it's important to prepare and have insurance. If you experience damage and losses due to a disaster, it's important to take the following steps. First, assess and document the damage by identifying and making a list of all the damages, taking pictures of damages, and estimating how much you think it will cost to repair or replace your belongings. Then contact your insurance company to report the damages. They'll advise you about coverage and next steps. If you experience problems with your insurance provider, you may want to contact the Washington State Office of the Insurance Commissioner at insurance.wa.gov or 1-800-562-6900 for assistance or to file a complaint. Next, file a report of your damages to your local emergency management office. You'll be asked to provide address of damaged property, contact information, information on whether you're a renter or the owner, description of damage, your insurance information. This information is used to determine how much damage occurred. At the same time, relief efforts will begin with resources that are available. Due to privacy concerns, you may be asked for this information multiple times. If the state doesn't have enough resources to handle the disaster, they'll request federal support from departments such as FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency, the SBA, Small Business Administration, and the USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture. If the request is approved, your local emergency manager and media channels will share information on how to apply. You may be able to apply for assistance online, in person, or by phone or fax. There may be several different programs available to help based on how you were affected. But keep in mind the assistance that you receive may not replace everything you had before the disaster. Learn more about recovering from natural disasters at mil.wa.gov/recovery.